Today we are competing at the Tennessee State Junior Chef Contest.
Well, my mom's cooking is actually the best. We typically always complained about our cooking and it was pretty bad. So I figured that I would get into culinary and cooking.
Want and hope to have my own restaurant in the future.
If you want to try something new, you can try it.
Pollo chili loco, barbecue chicken pizza, savory pork over autumn roasted vegetables.
I'm the chef for Metro Nashville Public Schools. Primarily, I'm looking to see if it's feasible to execute this recipe in schools.
Has 5 minutes left.
And this is actually taking them out of their local county. For a lot of them, the very first time they've ever been to Nashville.
I know there's like a lot of math in culinary. I'm actually taking extra math classes.
30 seconds left.
Honestly, it really helps you make friends, and you've got to learn to be able to talk, to communicate, use teamwork.
Just about good right here? Yeah.
This being the second time making it, we did great, guys. So
It's really good. We have to make it look good. You know, of course, we hope it is good.
This year's competition winner and the recipient of $48,000 in scholarship money is DeKalb County High School.
I'm so happy. It's one of the best feelings in the world. It honestly is. I'm already going to Sullivan, and this just helps tremendously.